Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soft, healthy, gluten-free almond flour cake. This is super easy and so yummy. So first take half cup of sugar, half cup of melted unsalted butter. If you like, you can replace sugar with honey or maple syrup. Take 3 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk it all together. Now add 2 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix all together. Now grease baking pan with some butter. Make sure it's all coated so the cake doesn't stick. Pour the batter into the pan and gently level it. Now sprinkle some almond flakes. Now bake it at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. You will know it's done when a toothpick comes out clean. And that's it. A soft, healthy cake ready to enjoy. You can top it with fruits or nuts if you like. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out.